Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can style an entire caption on Canva. So let's get started. First, open Canva and add your caption. Then you're going to click on text and add a text box, then type or paste your full caption. To style the entire caption at once, click inside the text box and press Ctrl+A for Windows, or if you're using Mac, then you're going to press Command+A. This selects all the text in your caption. Now you're going to go to the top toolbar and choose your font style. Adjust the font size, make sure it's readable and matches your design. Next, click the text color icon to change the color. Use alignment options left, center, right. Keep everything consistent for a clean look. Click on spacing in the top menu. Now you can adjust line height, which is the space between lines, and letter spacing as well. This improves readability. You can also click on animate to animate the caption further according to your own choice. These apply to all selected text at once. So that was basically how you can style caption in Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.